In this section, we are going to dive into lead forms and why I believe most car dealers should be using them. Now before we dive in, I believe that the lead form option is great for selling cars, but not so good for a tire store, service center, or a repair shop. The lead form is best used when it's automatically synced up with your CRM system, which most car dealers use, but not repair shops. Well, we're going to tackle that a little bit later in the video. Now, one of the greatest things about the Facebook lead form is that they minimize the amount of friction with your audience. While I love traffic campaigns and link click campaigns, there is a small risk that they might bounce once they actually hit your website. If you send people off of Facebook and over to your website or a landing page, the risk we run is them getting impatient, leaving your website and bouncing, and then the potential of that lead gets lost. With the Facebook lead form, it's an instant experience. Facebook pre-populates the form with the contact information right from that user's profile, and they never have to leave Facebook or do much work at all for all this to happen. Lead form ads will allow you to find people who might be interested in your cars and collect the information that you need to reach out to them directly. And with the lead form, you'll be able to collect contact information along with custom questions that you might want them to answer. Things like, when do you plan on buying? Do you need financing? What type of a car are you interested in? And so on. Lead form ads make the lead generation process really easy. People can simply tap on the ad, the form pops up, it's already pre-populated with all their contact information and ready to be sent directly to you and your CRM. With just a few taps, they can get all the information they want and you get a lead for your dealership. Now, to create your lead form ad, you simply log into the ads manager, choose leads as the objective, and then you simply start filling out all those different directions. And remember, say yes to budget optimization. Schedule your campaign, how much you want to spend. Pick the days, the times that you actually want your ads to run. Pick your geographic target. And most important, choose that audience wisely. You know, again, Facebook makes this all pretty easy to create these forms, and it makes it pretty easy to launch the campaign. Just follow all their instructions and fill out all the required fields. And when you're done building the campaign and the form, you just hit the publish button and launch that campaign. Now, lead form ads will appear everywhere within that whole Facebook ecosystem. They'll show up in the newsfeed, stories, instant articles, in-stream videos. They'll show up on Marketplace. They'll even cross-populate over to Instagram and Instagram stories. And if you did a good job picking the geography, picking the audiences that you want to reach, you will give potential customers an opportunity to check out what you have to offer without them having to leave the platform. Once they fill out the form, which is almost completely automatic, you just start getting your leads. Now, this is where things can get a little bit complicated. You have two choices with how it is to access your leads. You can download the leads directly from the ads manager, or for a totally seamless process, you can connect the leads platform directly to your CRM system. Now, since we do know that time can kill deals, I prefer and recommend integrating with your CRM so that your sales or BDC team can take immediate action. If you choose to wait and download those leads, I recommend that you do this every day. Just make it part of your daily routine. But the preferred choice, if you're going to use lead ads, is to sync it up with the CRM and have the leads automatically sync to where you are already working all those leads. Now, most CRM providers should be listed within the Facebook CRM provider list, and it's pretty easy to find out if yours is even there. Facebook provides a search tool right in that leads platform to find out if they are on there. And if so, you just follow out all the instructions to set the whole thing up. Now, if you are a smaller dealer and don't use a CRM system, I do not recommend a leads form campaign. What I do recommend is going back to what we talked about earlier, and that is a link click campaign where you send people to your website. So there you have it. several ideas and strategies that can help you streamline your time and maybe even some money on Facebook.